If you're running into issues with DuckDuckGo Browser, such as crashes, glitches, pages not loading properly, or anything that doesn't feel right, you can report it directly using the built-in feedback system. In this video, I'll show you how to report a problem with DuckDuckGo Browser. Let's get started. First, open DuckDuckGo Browser on your computer. Now click the menu button in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Scroll down and open the About section. Inside About, look for Send Feedback. Click on it. You will now see three options: Report a Problem, Request a Feature, and General Feedback. If something is broken or not working correctly, choose Report a Problem. If you want to suggest something new that should be added, choose Request a Feature. And if you just want to share your thoughts or general experience, choose General Feedback. After selecting the option, a form will open where you can describe your issue or suggestion. Try to include clear details about what happened, what you were doing, and any steps to reproduce the issue if possible. The more information you provide, the easier it is for the DuckDuckGo team to understand and improve the browser. All feedback is sent completely anonymously and does not include any personal identifying information. Once you're done, simply click Send to submit your feedback. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to report a problem in DuckDuckGo Browser. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more browser guides, troubleshooting tips, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.